Hello, and welcome to this guided practice. Grounding with the earth, root yourself in calm. So, to begin, find a cozy position, either seated or lying down, where you will feel supported. Gently rest your hands in your lap or at your sides, and let your shoulders just soften. Take a few slow, calm breaths in through your nose, and then out through your mouth. Let these first breaths set the tone of relaxation. Now, close your eyes and soften your gaze. Bring your awareness to the weight of your body. Notice how the surface beneath you holds and supports you. Feel the subtle movements in your body as you breathe. Each inhale brings life and warmth, and each exhale offers release and ease. So as you settle, you might sense your feet on the floor, or if you're lying down, feel the back of your body resting gently on the surface below. Allow your muscles to relax just a bit more with every breath. So let's take 3 deep, deliberate breaths together. Breathe in through your nose and exhale with a gentle sigh. So, begin with the first breath. And now for the second. And the third. Now let your breathing return to its own natural pace. Notice the rhythmic flow of air in and out. This soft pattern carries you into calmness. So shift your attention now to the base of your spine, or the soles of your feet, whichever feels more secure for you. Imagine that from this point, you have roots, like a strong tree, growing down from your body. So see or sense these roots tunneling through the floor, passing through layers of soil, and going deeper and deeper into the earth. Each layer you pass offers more stability. Your roots keep reaching down, reaching toward the very core. So take a moment to really see these roots. Let them be strong, steady, and unbreakable. They can be as thick as an ancient oak's roots, or as delicate as vines. It's your imagination and your connection. Feel the warmth and solidity of the ground as your roots entwine with the earth. Allow yourself to rest in the knowledge that you are firmly supported. There is no rush. There's no pressure. You are just here, connected. Now, bring your attention to the Earth's core, the center of stability that resides deep below you. So inhale slowly, and with each breath, picture a nurturing energy rising up through your roots. this energy feels warm, calm, and steady. As you breathe in, let that strength travel from the ground, through your roots, into your feet or spine, and continue moving into your legs. And your belly. Your chest. And finally, the top of your head. Feel your entire body filling with this grounding force. Notice any tingling or warmth. See if your muscles soften. Sense a deepening of calm. So stay here for a few more breaths. With each inhale, you draw in stable, soothing energy. With each exhale, imagine you relax even more, letting go of any stress. Now, as you exhale, let any tension, worry, or heaviness flow back down through your roots. Send it all back to the earth. The ground can transform and hold these energies, easing them from your body and mind. Feel your breath carrying away what no longer serves you. Each exhale leaves you lighter, calmer, and more at peace. So settle into this shared rhythm. The earth provides you with a steady, calming force. You receive this energy when you inhale. On your exhale, you release any strain or worry. So notice how the body feels. Feel the gentle beat of your heart. Be aware of each rise and fall in your chest. You are centered and at ease. Now, bring a sense of gratitude to this moment. Thank the earth for lending its stability and nourishment. Thank your body for being open to receiving and releasing. With each breath, let this gratitude expand throughout your body. It warms your heart, quiets your mind, and grounds your spirit. Good. Now bring your awareness back to the space you're in. Feel the air on your skin. Notice the sounds around you. Know that your roots remain ever present, ready to support you whenever life feels shaky or overwhelming. So wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Stretch in any way that feels good. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes now. Take a final breath in and let go with a soft sigh. Carry this connection with the earth into the rest of your day. Good work today, and namaste.